What is meant by shortness of breath? Introduction. Shortness of breath, medically termed dyspnea, is a sensation of breathing difficulty, discomfort, or a feeling of not getting enough air. It can range from mild and temporary to severe and persistent, affecting a person's ability to perform everyday activities. Shortness of breath is not a disease in itself, but rather a symptom of underlying medical conditions related to the lungs, heart, blood, or even psychological health. In this essay, we will explore the definition, causes, physiological mechanisms, associated symptoms, treatments, and preventive measures for shortness of breath. Definition of shortness of breath. Shortness of breath is a condition where an individual experiences difficulty in breathing. It is often described as tightness in the chest, rapid breathing, gasping for air, or a feeling of suffocation. Depending on its cause, dyspnea may develop suddenly, acute, or gradually chronic. Acute dyspnea. This occurs suddenly and is often linked to emergencies such as asthma attacks, heart attacks, or lung infections. Chronic dyspnea. This develops over weeks or months and is commonly associated with conditions such as chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD, heart disease, or obesity. Shortness of breath can occur at rest, during exercise, or even while lying down, orthopnea. It is crucial to understand the physiological and medical reasons behind dyspnea to manage it effectively. The physiology of breathing and dyspnea. To understand shortness of breath, it is essential to first comprehend how normal breathing works. The role of the lungs. The lungs are responsible for oxygen exchange. When we inhale, oxygen enters the lungs and passes into the bloodstream. Carbon dioxide, a waste gas, is expelled during exhalation. The role of the heart. The heart pumps oxygenated blood throughout the body. Any inefficiency in this process, e.g., due to heart failure, can lead to breathlessness. The role of the nervous system. The brain regulates breathing based on the body's oxygen and carbon dioxide levels. Any disruptions, such as neurological disorders, can affect breathing patterns. Dyspnea occurs when the body's oxygen demand exceeds supply, leading to respiratory distress. Common causes of shortness of breath. Shortness of breath can result from various medical conditions, ranging from mild and temporary to severe and life-threatening. The most common causes include respiratory, cardiovascular, systemic, and environmental factors. 1. Respiratory causes. Since breathing is primarily a function of the lungs, any lung disorder can contribute to shortness of breath. Asthma, a chronic condition that causes airway inflammation, leading to wheezing and breathlessness. Chronic obstructive pulmonary disease includes chronic bronchitis and emphysema, where airflow is restricted due to damaged lung tissue. Pneumonia, an infection that inflames the air sacs, reducing oxygen intake. Pulmonary embolism, a life-threatening condition caused by a blood clot in the lungs, which obstructs oxygen exchange. Pulmonary fibrosis, a condition where lung tissue becomes stiff and scarred, making breathing difficult. Lung cancer can cause breathlessness due to tumors obstructing the airways. 2. Cardiovascular causes. The heart plays a crucial role in oxygen transportation. If the heart is compromised, oxygen delivery to tissues is affected, leading to dyspnea. Heart failure. The heart struggles to pump blood effectively, causing fluid buildup in the lungs. Coronary artery disease. Blocked arteries reduce blood flow to the heart, causing breathlessness. Heart attack. Sudden chest pain and breathlessness due to blocked blood supply to the heart muscle. Arrhythmias, irregular heartbeats, may disrupt oxygen circulation, causing difficulty in breathing. 3. Systemic and other causes. Anemia, a lack of red blood cells means less oxygen is carried in the bloodstream, leading to breathlessness. Obesity, excess weight can restrict lung expansion and increase oxygen demand. Anxiety and panic attacks. Stress and panic can trigger hyperventilation, leading to a sensation of breathlessness. Neuromuscular disorders. Conditions like ALS or muscular dystrophy can weaken respiratory muscles, causing dyspnea. 4. Environmental and lifestyle factors. High altitudes. Reduced oxygen levels in the air can lead to altitude sickness and dyspnea. Smoking damages lung tissue and increases the risk of COPD and lung cancer. Exposure to pollutants. Air pollution, allergens, and chemicals can trigger respiratory distress. Associated symptoms of shortness of breath. Shortness of breath is often accompanied by other symptoms that indicate the underlying cause. Chest pain or tightness, heart-related conditions. Wheezing or coughing, asthma. Bluish lips or fingers, cyanosis, oxygen deprivation. rapid breathing tachypnea, fatigue or weakness, swelling in legs or feet, heart failure. Recognizing these associated symptoms helps in identifying whether the condition is a medical emergency. Diagnosis of shortness of breath. A healthcare provider will conduct several diagnostic tests to determine the cause of dyspnea. 1. Medical history and physical examination. Doctors will ask about symptoms, lifestyle, and medical history. Listening to lung sounds using a stethoscope can reveal wheezing, crackles, or fluid buildup. 2. Tests detects lung infections, tumors, or structural abnormalities. Pulmonary function tests, PFTs, measures lung capacity and airflow. Blood tests checks for anemia, infections, or heart-related issues. Electrocardiogram evaluates heart function. Oxygen saturation test, pulse oximetry, measures oxygen levels in the blood. Treatment options for shortness of breath. Treatment depends on the underlying cause of dyspnea. Some common approaches include 1. Medical treatments. Inhalers and bronchodilators, used for asthma and COPD to open airways. Oxygen therapy, given to patients with low oxygen levels. Diuretics, used in heart failure to reduce fluid buildup in the lungs. Antibiotics, for bacterial infections like pneumonia. 2. Lifestyle changes. Weight loss, reducing obesity-related breathlessness. Quitting smoking, improves lung function and prevents lung disease. Breathing exercises. Techniques like pursed lip breathing can help manage dyspnea. 3. Emergency treatment. If shortness of breath is severe or sudden, immediate medical attention is required. Emergency treatments include oxygen administration, ventilator support, or surgery in cases like pulmonary embolism. Prevention of shortness of breath. Some preventive measures include regular exercise, improves lung capacity and cardiovascular health. Avoiding triggers. Those with asthma should avoid allergens and pollutants. Healthy diet prevents obesity and heart disease. Annual checkups. Helps detect conditions early. Stress management. Reduces anxiety-induced breathlessness. Conclusion. Shortness of breath or dyspnea is a complex symptom with multiple causes, ranging from minor conditions like anxiety to life-threatening disorders like heart failure and lung disease. Understanding its physiological mechanisms, diagnosis, and treatments is crucial in managing and preventing breathlessness. Timely medical attention and adopting a healthy lifestyle can significantly improve lung and heart function, reducing the occurrence of dyspnea. If shortness of breath occurs suddenly, worsens over time, or is accompanied by chest pain, confusion, or bluish skin, it should be treated as a medical emergency.